average propensity to consume, APC. Average propensity to consume, APC. APC means ratio of total consumption to total income. Ratio of total consumption to total income. That means APC is equal to total consumption divided by total income. That is equal to total consumption means C by Y. This is called APC. Average propensity to consume. That means C divided by Y. C by Y. Next, another one is marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume. Marginal means additional. MPC. Marginal propensity to consume. Change in consumption, that is delta C, is due to change in income, that is called delta Y. MPC means change in the consumption is due to change in income. It is the increase in consumption per unit increase in disposable income. Per unit increase in disposable income as a result of that, so increase in consumption. That is called marginal propensity to consume. MPC is the slope of consumption function. MPC is the slope of consumption function and it is represented by small b. Small b, that is letter small b. Therefore, MPC is equal to change in consumption divided by change in income. That is equal to delta C by delta Y. That is equal to small b. This is called MPC. As increase in consumption is less than increase in income, as increase in consumption is less than increase in income. So income increase more, consumption increase less. That is why MPC, so 0 less than, so MPC less than 1. That means MPC is less than 1 greater than 0. Less than 1 greater than 0. That means 0 less than MPC less than 1. Next, here Keynes assumed that constant MPC. Keynes assumed MPC is a constant, though less than 1 and usually greater than 0.50. So, Keynes assumed constant MPC, though it is less than 1 and usually greater than 0.50. Next, this is called marginal propensity to consume. Next, components of aggregate supply. Components of aggregate supply. That is first saving function. Saving function. Saving function shows that functional relationship between savings and national income. Savings is, national income is Y. So, Y is equal to C plus S. Aggregate supply or Y is equal to C plus S. Therefore, savings is equal to Y minus C. Savings is equal to Y minus C. Y means national income, C means consumption. So, savings depends upon income. S is equal to F of Y. That means S is equal to minus A plus 1 minus B into Y. So, minus A, S means savings, F means function, Y means national income. So, here minus A indicates dissaving. Minus A indicates dissaving. Dissaving means no savings, which is equal to consumption at 0 level of income in negative values. zero level of income, there is a consumption that is equal to dis-savings, or minus A indicates dis-saving, which is equal to consumption at zero level of income in negative values. 1 minus B indicates it is the slope of saving function. 1 minus B indicates that it is slope of saving function, that is MPS, marginal propensity to save. Marginal propensity to save, MPS, is equal to delta S by delta Y, change in the savings divided by change in the income. Next, average propensity to save, APS, average propensity to save. APS means ratio of total savings to total income. Ratio of total savings to total income, or part of total income which is saved. Part of total income which is saved. APS is equal to total savings divided by total income, that is S divided by Y, savings divided by income, that is called average propensity to save. Next, marginal propensity to save, MPS. Marginal means additional. Marginal propensity to save, that means change in savings, that is delta S, is due to change in income, that is delta Y. So change in the savings is due to change in income. It is the slope of saving function. MPS is the slope of saving function, that is MPS. MPS is equal to delta S by delta Y. Delta S by delta Y, that is equal to 1 minus B. 1 minus B. Saving is an increasing function of income. Saving is an increasing function of income because MPS is positive. MPS is positive. That means, so savings increases as income increases. That means, so income increases, savings also increases. If income increases, savings also increases. Here, MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Marginal propensity to consume plus marginal propensity to save is equal to 1. MPC plus MPS is equal to 1.